Wrong set.
Fuck! Stampy, we're supposed to film the video.
Hey, Kermit!
Hey, Sonic.
So I heard that Randy and Jack have murdered someone. Do you know anything about that?
Why are you coming to me for that shit?
Hey, Randy.
I'm Jack.
Fuck. Where's Randy?
Oh, he's taking a break.
Oh, for what?
He's been in the videos for a long time, and well, it's been a long time since I've been on one, and that last one we recorded didn't go well. So I'm here now.
Was this part of the script?
And Randy's in jail now for murdering someone. So, yeah.
Oh shit.
Fucking weirdos. Kermit, you're going off script again. Fuck.
So, Kermit, do you know how to get Randy out of jail?
I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You've done it before. Seal, you're not in this scene. Oh. Man, what the fuck? We could blow a hole in the prison wall and just bring him out through there, I guess.
Where's the cameraman?
Guys, help me. You get Randy out of prison.
Yes, we can.
Next scene. So, oh, hold up, I got a boner.
Let's break Jack out of prison.
It's Randy!
Alright. Oh, there's Stampy.
Jack, this is your cue.
All right.
Thanks, Randy.
No problem.
We do not have a prison set. Oh, there's the prison set. Where the fuck is the cameraman? Oh, Stampy.
Next scene.
Sex scene? So, Randy, do you want to get out of jail?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
That's not even close to the script.
So, Jack, how does it feel to be out of jail?
You fucking shit. I'm Randy! Do not make me kill you too!
Where's the cameraman?